Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use green clay powder. To begin, gather your green clay powder, a non-metallic bowl, and a non-metallic spoon. For a basic mask, combine 1 part clay powder with 2 parts filtered water. Stir gently until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. This simple preparation ensures the clay's beneficial properties remain active and ready for application. Avoid using metal, as it can react with the clay. For a refreshing facial mask, apply a thin, even layer of the prepared green clay paste to your clean, dry face. Be sure to avoid the sensitive skin around your eyes and lips. Allow the mask to dry for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until it feels firm but not completely cracked. Then, gently rinse it off with lukewarm water, ensuring all traces of clay are removed for soft, revitalized skin. Green clay is also excellent for targeted spot treatments. Simply dab a small amount of the paste directly onto any blemishes and let it dry for about 15 minutes before rinsing. For a detoxifying body wrap, prepare a slightly thicker paste. Apply it to areas like your abdomen or thighs, then cover with a damp cloth for 15 to 20 minutes. This helps draw out impurities and invigorate your skin. You can even use green clay as a clarifying hair mask. Mix a slightly thinner paste and apply it to your damp hair and scalp, leaving it on for about 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, then shampoo and condition as usual for a deep cleanse. Remember to store any unused green clay powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place to maintain its potency for many months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.